How to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes, turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, head back to the main page of settings, toggle on for this option of airplane mode. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it off and then check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option General, head towards the option of software update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back, scroll down, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process to reset network settings. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.